Detecting a breakdown, DynoGirl. Sending you coordinates.
I'm on it, Doctor.
I can't believe this is happening again. Who are you?
The name's DynoGirl, and I am here to help. What seems to be the problem? Are you seeing this, Doctor?
Yes.
The lifters are ticking and, well,
Of course. We've seen this a lot.
Yes, bring him in. I'll get the truck.
what seems to be the problem, sir? The doctor, I mean?
Hard to say, my boy. Yep. Oh. Aha! Yes, inferior parts. Just as I thought.
Just like before. I thought we were making a difference.
Will she ever run again?
Don't worry. I promise you, the doctor can fix anything with engine tech parts.
I can't thank y'all enough.
Now treat her right. Engine tech parts, my boy. Nothing else.
Doctor, I think we did good.
Yes. Yes, I think we did. Yes, go.